Hi guys, how are you? Happy New Year to everyone. Today I bring one of most exciting topic which everyone is searching. 2021 New Year weight loss resolution. How you can make your 2021 weight loss resolution. So let's start with the video and I will explain you. There are only 6 points which I have write down and I bring for you guys which help you to lose your weight in 2021, which I follow in 2020 to lose my weight. Over there you can see my picture, how I was looking before, and this is for your motivation that on January 1st how I was looking, and I'm damn sure if you follow my weight loss resolution you will lose your weight and hopefully your body will be look much slimmer and nice in the end of 2021. So first of all, the first rule is make your mind. Everyone asks you to get the paper, write down the rule, but I am saying you make your mind, because mind is the main thing. If you are consistent, if you know what you need to do in couple of months in this whole year, then first make your mind that you have to lose your weight and you have to do this thing, and after that make your weight loss goal. Okay, goal is much more important. Then second step is make your weight loss goal. How much weight you want to reduce? For me in 2020 I have a weight over at the time 130 kg and my weight loss goal was 80 kg, but I lose around 51 kgs in whole year. So my goal was losing a 50 kg weight. I did it. I made that point and I was consistent about that. So second point is make your weight loss goal. Once you've done this, your third goal is reduce your diet. Everyone asks you to go exercise, do gymming, whatever. I don't suggest you in starting go for exercise or do anything extra. Just reduce your diet. How you will reduce your diet? That it's very easy. Let's suppose if you are taking 2000 calories every day, try to start taking 1800 calories every day, because minus 200 calories from your life, because it is one of the major factor. If your diet is much more than your exercise, then you can't lose it. So first thing is that you need to maintain your diet. Before going to exercise, before going to gyms, before going to anywhere physical activity, just start reducing your diet. Let's suppose in the month of March 2020 I first start reducing my diet, even going to gym or exercise or any other thing. So third step is reduce your diet. I'm saying you don't go for exercise, don't go anywhere. Once you are done with your fourth point is make an actionable plan. How you are going to do the exercise, what kind of exercise you are going to do, and this is the main thing, that how much time you are going to dedicate to your exercise. Let's suppose 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, we can say 30 minutes. So it depends all on you. In starting it take time. So make an actionable plan, and that plan should be stick over on your room wall or somewhere on your office desk whenever you are there, so you can see this is the actionable plan and these are the time when I have to go for the exercise. So make sure to make an actionable plan. Once you are done with the actionable plan, start doing exercise. This is my fifth rule. Start doing exercise. So in initial basis, in initial time, I will suggest you, if you have a very much more weight like 100 and plus kg, then you do around 10 minutes walk every day and keep increasing, keep increasing, keep increasing. One thing I want to tell you, in this way you need to be consistent. Let's suppose if you didn't exercise every day and first day you went and you do exercise for 30 to 50 minutes and second day you take rest. This is not good. Just do exercise for 5 minutes, 10 minutes in initial basis, then keep increasing. Once you are feeling stamina, once you are feeling your body is strengthened, then you move forward. And my sixth rule is stay consistent. Stay consistent is the, I can say, father of these rules. If you are consistent, if you know what you are doing, then you will lose it. Losing is not hard, but how to lose, how much dedicated you are. This is the main rule, how much dedicated you are. So this is my sixth and the final rule about the consistency. Okay, now I tell you what will happen if you follow these 6 rules. I will recap all the rules. Make your mind. Okay, once your mind is done, make your weight loss goals. What kind of goals you are achieved, like how much weight you want to reduce your diet. If you are taking 2000 calories, go for 1800 or even go for 1900. It all depends on you. Make your actionable plan, how you are going to do exercise. Put that actionable plan on your desk floor or on your office desk, and then start doing exercise. Initially basis 5 minutes, 10 minutes, then keep going on and keep going on, and stay consistent. Consistency is much better. Okay, for your motivation, for your everything, I am showing you one of the success story which I did. You can see different kind of pages which have lots of popularity on social media. They are posting my images and showing that this guy reduced it. You can see here, you can see here and also one of the biggest channel, Team Body Project. I also follow their exercises, and you can see over there the Team Body Project have featured me on their Instagram page, and they said 2020 Muhammad has lose this much amount of weight, and they are congratulating me. So do you want to achieve the same journey which I do? You are most welcome. And one more thing, I also share my weight loss journey, how I lose my weight loss. In the I button in the description you can find it, or also on my channel you will find lots of other exercises like how to reduce belly fat in 30 days. But the main thing is that you need to consistency with these 6 rules. If you are consistent, you will lose your weight, and I'm damn sure 2021 will be last year of your obesity. If you are going to perform this activity, I give you a guarantee that you will lose your whole weight. So best of luck to everyone who are making their weight loss resolutions. If you follow my video really consistently and organically, I am really honest with you guys. What I follow, I told you. If you guys follow these activities, these things, you will learn many things, and your body will be slimmer, smart, and very nice. So thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and click the like button and bell button to stay connected with my channel whenever I post new videos. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye bye.